Did you know that 60% of people in relationships feel unappreciated by their partners? Shocking, isn't it? We live in a world where the majority of us crave affection, yearn for approval, and pine for attention, only to be met with a cold shoulder or an indifferent gaze. This feeling of not being valued, of being overlooked, is more common than you might think. It's a silent epidemic, spreading through the hearts and minds of lovers across the globe. The quiet whispers of disappointment that echo in the dark corners of our relationships are a testament to this. These whispers, however muted, are a clear cry for change, a change in perspective, a shift in dynamics, a transformation in the way we perceive and pursue love. But what if we told you that seeking constant validation is not the answer? Picture this. You're constantly chasing for her attention, but it seems like a never-ending race. You find yourself in a perpetual cycle, always striving for validation, for that elusive nod of approval from her. You put in all the effort, all the energy, yet it feels like you're running on a treadmill. You're moving, but you're not really getting anywhere. This pursuit, my friends, can be a dangerous game. It can lead to frustration, to a feeling of inadequacy, and can chip away at your self-esteem. You begin to question your worth, your attractiveness, and your place in the relationship. But remember, relationships should not be about constant pursuit. They should be about mutual respect, shared experiences, and equal give and take. The chase, as exciting as it may seem initially, can leave you feeling exhausted and unfulfilled. And it's time to stop running this race that's getting you nowhere. Now, imagine a different scenario, one where you're not in a relentless pursuit, but rather, you're the one being pursued. Picture a change in the game plan, a shift in dynamics. This is not about manipulation or games, but about personal growth and self-improvement. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, a person that naturally attracts others by virtue of their charisma and self-assuredness. Consider the possibility of transforming the chase into a dance where you lead with grace and confidence. It's about cultivating an aura that beckons others towards you, rather than you constantly reaching out. This shift isn't an overnight process. It requires work, introspection, and a willingness to change. But remember, the journey towards self-improvement is as rewarding as the destination. With this new approach, you're no longer just another face in the crowd. You're someone who commands attention, not chases it. Intriguing, isn't it? To be the one pursued rather than the pursuer. Let's explore how to bring about this transformation. The path to self-assuredness begins with an understanding of your self-worth. You are not a commodity to be sought after, but a person deserving of respect and love. It's time to step out of the shadows of doubt and into the light of self-confidence. Building attractiveness is not just about physical appearance, it's about cultivating a magnetic personality. Be genuinely interested in others, listen to them, share your passions, and let your charisma shine. Be the kind of person who attracts people with warmth and authenticity. Nurturing personal growth is key to this transformation. Seek out new experiences, learn new skills, challenge your beliefs. This journey of self-improvement will not only make you more appealing, but also enrich your life in countless ways. Finally, remember to love yourself unconditionally. You are enough just as you are. Remember, your worth does not depend on someone else's attention. What happens when you stop fighting for her attention? Let's delve into the aftermath of this profound transformation. It's a journey that promises a plethora of benefits, not just in your relationships, but in your personal life as well, painting a future that is both enticing and attainable. Imagine a world where your self-esteem isn't tied to someone else's opinion. You are no longer the marionette, dancing to the whims and fancies of another. You become a puppet master, a maestro orchestrating your own symphony, your self-worth now independent and resilient. It's an empowering state of existence, a testament to your inherent value, untouched by external validation. Now, let's turn the spotlight to the relationship itself. Once you stop vying for attention, the dynamic inevitably shifts. It's no longer a one-sided chase, but a dance of equals. The relationship blooms into a healthier, more balanced entity, one that is built on mutual respect and admiration. It becomes a partnership where both parties are invested, making the bond between you stronger and more enduring. Furthermore, this shift isn't confined to the relationship alone. It spills over into your broader life, infusing it with a newfound sense of fulfillment. You begin to invest in yourself, nurturing your interests, pursuing your passions, developing your skills. You start living for yourself, not for someone else. This is the sweet fruit of self-focus, a life that is enriched, purposeful, and deeply satisfying. And the beauty of it all? It's within your grasp. It's a path that is waiting to be tread, a journey that is waiting to be embarked upon. All it takes is a single step, a simple decision to shift the focus from her to you. So why not take the first step towards this transformation? Stop fighting for her attention and start focusing on yourself. Because you, yes you, are worth it. We'd love to hear your stories in the comments below. Your experiences might just inspire someone else's unforgettable date. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.